Hello, in this video I will show you some tips how you can speed up your Redmi 15C and fix lags. So first of all, open the settings. From here go to additional settings. Now go to accessibility and vision. Now here you can find remove animations. Turn it on by using this switcher, and now as you can see I have no any of animation and everything looks smoother. Also, you can go to apps in the settings. Now go to here is the list all of your apps from the phone, and just simply uninstall some apps from here that you are not using, like this bloatware, these games, just open it and uninstall apps that you are not using. It's very helpful with optimizing the phone. Just uninstall some apps from here. Also, you can go to security app, open it, and from here you can optimize a couple of settings. So let's go to boost speed, and now we are able to boost speed over here. Just simply wait for it, and now as you can see it's freed up some of the RAM space. Go back. Also, I recommend you to clean the cache from the cleaner. You can do it from here. Just simply again wait, clean up, and basically it can help you. Also, you can go to the settings again, go back to the settings, open display and brightness, and here you can find refresh rate. Open it and select it for custom and set it up to 120 Hz, and from now everything is it's much smoother and faster. Also, you can extend your RAM memory by going to additional settings, and here you can find memory extension. Open it and select a memory extension up to 4 GB of RAM. When you selected it, you have to reboot your phone, but this is also very good to optimize the phone and making it faster. Also, go to battery section and make sure that you have no in the current mode you have no battery saver or something like that, or ultra battery saver. You have to enable balanced mode, and basically this is the everything for this video. I think this is very helpful for optimizing your Redmi 15C, and you should try it. Thanks for watching and subscribe.